I'm going to show you how to share your location on your iPhone. So there's a couple things that we need to make sure that is turned on so that we can be allowed to share our location. So first thing, let's go to our settings. And you want to go down to where it says privacy and security. And you want to go to location services. You want to make sure that the location services is turned on, but then the section where it says share my location, you also want to make sure that this is turned on and share my location is toggled on. The next thing we can do is come out of here and we want to stay in our settings, and you want to go down to where it says screen time. And from here, you want to go down to where it says content and privacy restrictions. And you also want to make sure that your location services is on and your share my location area here is also on allowed. So the one last thing you might have a problem with is that your messages still not be allowing the share feature to be used. So what we can do is from here, we want to go right back down to privacy and security, go back to location services. And as you see, all of these apps here have their location services specific to the app itself. So you want to make sure that your messages app is also part of that area where you have it turned on. So mine is set to while using the app. So from here, you should have no problem. So let's go ahead and share our location. So we can come out of here after all that stuff is turned on, go to messages, and go ahead and pick a message thread that you want to share your location to. And you want to go ahead and hit the plus sign at the bottom left-hand corner, and you're going to get some options here. And you want to scroll down until you find where it says location. So that'll come up, and real easily, all you have to do is hit share, and it's going to ask you about indefinitely until the end of the day or for 1 hour. It doesn't really matter. So you can choose what you want to do. So I'm just going to hit for 1 hour and go ahead, and that will send the location to that person. And then the person will be able to have your location, use Find My iPhone, things like that. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy for people to know where you are and for you to allow them to know where you are for a specific time period.